Let's face it, the basic hop is just that, basic. Let's take it up another notch and get a little fancy, and you can learn these 7 jump rope moves to make you look like a pro jumper today. The boxing step is one of my favorite techniques because it allows you to jump for a long time without getting tired. This is how you do the boxing step. Jump up off the ground with your right foot as the rope begins to reach your feet. Slightly twist your hips while jumping. Both of your feet should land after the rope hits the ground. Land with both your right foot and left foot slightly perpendicular. You really want to make sure you have the basic jump rope move down before trying this move. One of the keys to doing the boxing step is not jumping very high. This allows for more endurance. In a past poll on YouTube, most people said that high knees was their first trick they ever learned while jumping rope. So maybe it can be yours too. In order to do high knees, you want to first jump up off the ground with your right foot as the rope begins to reach your feet. Raise your knee as high as possible. As you land your right foot, raise your left foot up. Raise your knee as high as possible. Now jump up off the ground with your left foot this time and repeat, alternating back and forth. High knees are one of my best fitness secrets. It's one of the more intense jump rope tricks. I would compare it to double unders if I had to compare it to something, but it's not as intense as double unders. It doesn't quite give as high impact on your joints as double unders tend to do. Quick jumps are not only a underrated workout, it actually looks really cool when you're jumping really fast. Quick jumps are one of the more intense but simple jump rope tricks out there. It's just a regular jump rope move faster. One of the keys to making sure that you can do this trick is having a good jump rope form. So do check out the video I have below if you are having issues with your form. It'll help you get your form together for the next time that you're trying to do any other trick other than the basic jump. Mummy kicks are a cool way to get introduced to kicking style jump rope tricks. How do you do the mummy kicks? Jump up off the ground with your right foot as the rope begins to reach your feet. Extend your right leg straight. As you land on your right foot, place your left foot down, and now jump off your left foot and extend your left leg straight. Repeat, alternating back and forth. Now by straight, I mean as straight as you possibly can do. The bell hop is such a cool move because if you look from the side, it looks like you're in a bell while you're jumping. Now this move is a simple jump rope move, and it'll help you do other tricks when you learn it, like doing the half twist or the twist becomes a little easier when you know this trick first. How do you do the bell hop? First, you want to keep your feet close together when jumping. Jump on the mid soles of your feet and land softly. Keep your jumping height low, keeping your knees slightly bent at all times. Want to jump forward and jump back. You want to jump forward and back about 4 to 6 inches. The more consistent you're able to do this move, the easier it'll be to do other tricks in the future. Now let's talk about the pendulum. I love this trick. It's my newest trick, and you kind of just look like you're rocking back and forth, but it takes an immense amount of concentration to not kick the rope. This move is quite easy because all you have to do is catch the rhythm. Once you catch the rhythm the first time, it is over. You have the jump rope move at that exact moment. So how do you do the pendulum? First, you want to start by standing on one foot with the other one extended out. Jump and switch places with your feet, landing on the other foot. So back and forth and back and forth, and it'll look like you're a pendulum. It's a great move for beginners to look like they're really good at jumping, because once you master this move, people will be like, wow, how did you do that? And then you'll be like, it's so simple. It's all about rhythm. Now, if you really want to get in shape, check out my workout journal. I left a link to it down below. It'll help you from everything from example workouts to keeping track of your fitness journey. Now, back to the video. Single foot jumps are for when you want to take it to the next level. It's a great workout for your lower body. It works out all of the muscles inside of your legs, including your glutes, thighs, and calf. How do you do single foot jumps? First, you want to start on one foot, keeping the other foot on the ground. Jump on the mid-toes of your feet and land softly. Keep your jumping height low. Keep your knees slightly bent at all times. Maintain a tall but neutral spine. Keep your head up, chest up, and head looking forward. Keep your shoulders pulled back and your elbows held down and back. Keep your hands along the midline of your body. Use your wrist to turn the rope, not your elbows or shoulders. That is extremely important. Remember, don't do too many of these because they can be quite impactful on your knees and other joints. Now, all of these jump rope tricks are awesome, but if you don't have the right jump rope, it probably won't work out for you. So check out this video right here and I'll let you know the right jump rope for what you're trying to achieve. And as always, just start. Worry about being perfect later. Peace.